Service. Yo te llamo ahora que estoy un poco busy. So we're here at Infinity Kitchen and Cabinet. I'm here because I needed to get a 18-inch cabinet after my stove, and they're gonna give it to me for free because I have a good relationship with them. But I wanted to show you their showroom. It looks so beautiful. When you walk into the showroom, it's like you go walking into a house. They got free coffee, scramble, home fries, bacon in the morning. What? In the afternoon, they have cheeseburgers, a little bit of rice. No, I'm kidding on the food. But anyway, as you can see, this showroom is so beautiful. The quality of cabinets are really good. Not the Chinese cabinets, these are real wood cabinets. I love this color combination, white on white. These are all the different color combinations. I think I'm gonna get one of these for my house. We're gonna redo my whole kitchen because I need to do it. My kitchen is like 15 years old. I like this. This is really nice. I like the gray with the white. I've been using a lot of white, but now I'm gonna use gray. Ileana, come over here. I wanna ask you something on the kitchen cabinets. She's shy, she doesn't wanna come up. Come here. How long does it take to get these kitchen cabinets in? 2 weeks.
1 day.
1 day, I thought it was 2 weeks. Come, tell us. Give me a rough estimate. 1 day or 2 weeks, 1 week?
3 days.
3 days. So whatever kitchen cabinet you want, whatever design you want, takes like 3 to 5 days. Give her extra 2 days just in case. Either call me or Infinity Home Supply and we'll help you with all your kitchen needs and bathroom needs and all your tile work. Dark gray with the white cabinets, white top. We're curious, what's your favorite color combination? I want to use your color combination. Give us some recommendations, and if we use your color, we'll give you a gift card to Home Depot for $250 or $250 in cash, whatever you want. So send us your color combination. When we build our next kitchen in the next like 2-3 weeks, we'll use it. So I'm here at 478 11th Avenue. We're done. We're waiting for the final inspections. Electrical came in, plumbing came in, building came in. 1 or 2 of them found a couple of items they wanted us to correct. Yesterday I was so stressed out because I really need the CO in order to close the deal. We fixed a couple of items. Today we fixed a couple of items, and then we're gonna call for the re-inspection. Hopefully when they come back, we get the CO. But this week was a little challenging because of the items that the inspectors wanted us to change. We understand, we have to comply. We'll do whatever they want. We're like at 98%, we need another 2%, and we're gonna get it done. Have you ever experienced anything like this? If you ever experience anything like this, I have the experience to help you. We can help each other. We could go get some coffee, we get some lunch, talk about it, fix the problem. But some of this stuff is not easy, but we're getting it done, and we can't stop. Boom!